5 is Pantum M7202FDW all-in-one laser printer. The Pantum M7202FDW all-in-one laser printer is not only a great option for printing out documents, but it also serves as an excellent printer for shirts. This compact black and white laser printer is the perfect addition to any busy home or office with its advanced printing, copying, faxing, and scanning capabilities. One of the best things about the Pantum M7202FDW is how fast it prints. With the ability to print up to 35 pages per minute and the first page out in just 8.2 seconds or less, you won't have to wait long to get your shirt designs printed out. The one-step installation is also incredibly convenient and easy to understand, with a short video available to help you get started. Another great feature of this printer is the automatic document feeder. This feature saves you time when dealing with multiple pages for copying and scanning. You can easily print office documents and other business materials to help you create professional-looking designs for your shirts. With a 1-year standard warranty from the date of purchase and Pantum's online customer service available, you can rest assured that you're making a wise investment with the Pantum M7202FDW. If you want to buy this printer right away, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best printer for shirts. If you like any of these best printers, then check out the link in the description box to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.